How to recover deleted videos on YouTube. Sometimes if you accidentally deleted your YouTube videos and you want to recover that deleted videos, then if you want to recover those videos, then make sure to watch the video till the end without skipping any step, because you might skip some steps in order to recover the deleted videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube application on your device. Then make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Then tap on profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to this profile feed or this page, then you have to scroll all the way down at the bottom and tap on help and feedback. Once you get access to this help page, just tap on send feedback option. Now tap on get started button. Here, you have to allow Google Services Framework to access all device logs. You can tap on allow one-time access or tap on don't allow. Here you need to tell the issue that you have been facing to YouTube and you need to send the feedback. Here you must explain why you want to recover those videos and why you previously deleted those YouTube videos. Once you have sent the feedback to YouTube, after 24 hours or more than the 24 hours, you will get the solution from YouTube in order to recover your deleted videos. So from there you can easily recover those videos that you deleted from YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates.